Today's journey takes me to the second biggest city in Greece. As the sun starts to rise, my first day begins. The weather was slightly cooler than the rest of my trip, and clouds provided a little cover from the sun. I begin by wandering the streets in search of some breakfast. And the perfect start? Bougatsa, filo pastry filled with custard, which is famous in Thessaloniki. Now that I've had my breakfast, I continue to wander the streets, taking in the atmosphere of this amazing city. There is just so much activity and so many things happening. Every corner there is something new to see. And while it feels familiar, it has a different vibe to Athens. Overlooking the Aegean Sea is the incredible White Tower.
Looks pretty tall. Let's get to the top and check out what it looks like.
The White Tower is one of Thessaloniki's most iconic landmarks. It was built in the late 15th century, shortly after the Ottomans seized the city in 1430. To reach the top of the White Tower, they say there are 92 steps, but don't be fooled. These aren't your average steps, they're giant, and trust me, it feels like a lot more. But once you do get to the top, the panoramic views of Thessaloniki and the sparkling sea make every step worth it. Now it was time to continue my walk and grab some lunch. And a short break under some shade to cool off before continuing my journey. One of Thessaloniki's most striking sites is dedicated to Alexander the Great and his armies. The highlight is an imposing bronze statue of Alexander the Great. Standing proudly along the waterfront, this masterpiece is a powerful reminder of the city's deep connection to its Macedonian heritage. The history of this town has stood the test of time, and I can't help but feel proud of my Greek heritage. As I continue to wander the streets, I really have no idea where I'm going.
Sometimes not having a proper plan, other than, you've got this end goal that you want to get to. And on that way, obviously when you're just taking different tracks trying to get somewhere, you come and discover something else you weren't expecting. It's another tower, just in the middle of what kind of looks like, normal suburb with houses just across the street from it. That's really cool.
On a clear day, they say you can see Mount Olympus, but unfortunately for me, it was overcast. Standing here by the tower, you can almost feel the weight of the city's history, from the towering walls to the breathtaking views. It's a place where the past and present come together. Now it was time for something a little different.
So let's go check out the markets.
After exploring the towering walls and ancient towers of Thessaloniki, it was time to dive into the heart of the city, and there's no better place to experience it than the vibrant energy of the markets. The sights, the sounds, the smells, so much to take in. The city truly is a blend of ancient history and modern life, but it hasn't always been this way. Thessaloniki has faced its fair share of challenges, from devastating fires, the Great Fire of 1917, which destroyed much of the historic centre, to the occupations and the wars. Yet each time, it has risen from the ashes, reinventing itself while holding on to a rich cultural heritage. Walking through the streets, you can just see the layers of history.
And we have come up to another tower. The town is full of them. Just get you a bit of a shot there in the background. Another good discovery on today's walk. I want to go in and have a bit of a closer look. Check this one out.
Over the centuries, this impressive structure, built in the 4th century, has transformed from a Roman mausoleum, a Byzantine church, to an Ottoman mosque. Now, it's a cultural monument. Now, my time in Thessaloniki was coming to an end, and as I walked through its streets one last time, I couldn't help but reflect on the city's unique blend of ancient history and modern life. This city has an amazing energy to it, and I really enjoyed my time here. This was Thessaloniki, and it was just explored.